Good job. Good job, ref. That is illegal. You can't use the trash can. Oh. The ref is a sucker now. Thought he was cool, but now he's just a bitch. Falling for every little thing.
That's bitch ref to you.
Hey. I'm sure. I don't know why. I don't know why he could hear us because I'm over here in the booth. I don't know. The ref could hear me.
I said fuck the ref.
Oh, Mongolian chops. Oh, nice bulldog right there. Oh. Wild Mike gaining momentum here. I didn't know P-Train didn't know that Wild Mike is wild as well, just like P-Train. No. Oh. Oh. Side hits. Oh. No. Well, why he always does that? This shit is annoying.
1, 2,
2. Cause a pretty bad headache. Both men getting up slowly. Oh, charge from P-Train to Wild Mike. Now, will we see sexy underwear guy? Oh, that's PM Punk. I wonder what he's wearing today. P-Train going up. Now P-Train and PM Punk, they look alike. Could be identical twins. No! Nice from Wild Mike.
1, 2,
Will this be a double count out, referee?
3.
And Wild Mike up to his feet. Oh, and there's oh, he reversed it. Oh, there's another cover. P-Train. Oh. Michael and Wild Mike. Oh. Oh, yes. Nice. Is that like a singing that figure? What was that?
1,
2.
Yeah, probably say that one.
2.
2. Only a 2. Says the gay referee.
2.
Well, Mike arguing with the ref. Oh! That could pretty much end it right here. The strength of P-Train. My God. I'd like to see P-Train and PM Punk go at it one of these days. Will we ever see that? Oh. Oh. Oh, twist of fate from Wild Mike. Could that end it right there? Oh, another 2 back-to-back twist of fate. Is that all she wrote?
3.
And it is Wild Mike victorious over the return of P-Train. My God, Wild Mike finally gets a win. All that's hard work.
I guess I need to say it
Wild Mike.
about Jay Guerrero. Jay Guerrero You've been avoiding me for I don't know how many weeks, and I challenge you whenever, wherever you decide.
Just fought him last week.